In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Hotmail storage full issue. If your Hotmail, now known as Outlook.com, is warning that your mailbox is full, follow along and we'll free up space quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Outlook sign-in page. This is the official Microsoft site for accessing your email. Once the page loads, click Sign In. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight to your inbox. Otherwise, enter your usual Microsoft account details and continue. If you see a list of accounts, simply click the existing account you want to manage. That confirms to Outlook which mailbox we're working with and brings you into your mail. With your inbox visible, begin clearing space by deleting emails you no longer need. Focus first on messages with large attachments, newsletters, and promotional emails. A quick tip: you can sort or filter to find bigger items, or search for common senders you don't need to keep. Select multiple messages at once using the checkboxes, then delete. Remember that deleted emails typically move to deleted items first. They aren't gone for good yet, so don't worry about accidental clicks, and also keep in mind they still count towards storage until they're permanently removed. We'll review this from the storage view in a moment. Next, open your Outlook settings. Look to the top right of the screen for the gear icon and click it. This opens a panel with quick settings. From there, choose Account. Depending on your layout, you may see a link such as View All Outlook Settings before the Account section appears. The goal is to reach your account-related options where storage is managed. Inside the account area, click Storage. This page is designed to show you exactly how your mailbox space is being used. It breaks down usage by folders and categories, and on many layouts it highlights items that tend to grow quickly, like attachments and sent mail. Take a moment here to review the usage bar and folder list. If you just deleted a lot of messages, you may see the bar move down after a short delay. A quick refresh can help, but it's normal for updates to take a minute. Finally, check your storage to confirm you're back under the limit. If the bar still looks high, revisit your inbox and other large folders like sent items to remove anything you don't need, then return to the storage page to verify the change. That's it. By signing in, deleting unneeded inbox items, opening settings, going to account, and reviewing storage, you can resolve the Hotmail storage full issue and keep your mailbox running smoothly.